Hello, good
Yes,
afternoon
sir.
all. Sorry, good morning all. Good
Good
morning
Good
morning,
all.
sir.
morning, sir.
Okay, so now today we are going to perform. Okay, good morning all. Now today we are going to perform a GK activity. Okay, so now my dear students, we are going to learn today what? Maths, sorry, GK activities. Okay, so we have to, I am asking the question and you have to give a answer to all the questions. So one by one, I am telling you, I am say the name here and you have to give a answer properly. Okay. Now my screen is properly visible all.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Hello, dear, my screen is visible all.
Yes, sir.
My
The
screen
screen
Yes,
is
is
sir.
visible,
visible.
Screen
beta.
is visible.
Okay, very good. So dear, just a minute, wait on. So listen everyone. Okay, now I have been beta. Read the first question.
Yes,
I
sir.
have,
Who won the International Children's Peace Prize in 2020?
okay, so now who will give answer? Who will give answer to me? Okay, so who give me answer?
Hello, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, your screen is not clearly.
Yes, beta. My screen is proper, visible.
Yes, sir. Your screen is clear.
So, beta, Sama Mohammed, beta, you first you left the meeting and then after do a rejoin.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so their problem is gone, beta. Okay, so now can you tell me, my dear students, what is who? Okay, what is the first question? Did you understand all? First question: who won the International Children's Peace Prize in 2020? 2020. You know the answer, all my dear students. Who will give me answer? Muhammad Raza Nayani, Muhammad Hussain Ansari, Safiq, Ayaz Bisha, Zaid Ali. Okay, I think my screen is gone. Just a minute, wait, beta. Hello, hello, my dear students. What I'm telling you,
Sir.
understood all? What is the first question? Again, I represent my dear here for you. See, read the first question. Who won the International Children's Peace Prize in 2020? So who will give me answer? Do fast. We have a 20 question and we have to complete in our goal session. Okay, so now I'll give you home options. Sadat Rahman, Sadaf Rahman, and
Hello,
then
sir.
after a second option, yes, beta.
सर आपकी जो आपने जो पेपर स्टार्ट किया है ना,
हम्म,
मैं भी सर
दिखता
इसमें दिखता नहीं है, ब्लैक ब्लैक आ जाता है
वेर कहाँ पे ब्लैक ब्लैक आ जाता है?
स्क्रीन पर आपकी।
मेरी स्क्रीन पर ब्लैक ब्लैक आता है. जस्ट मिनट, वेट, आई विल बी a check and then I'll give you answer. कहाँ पर
No,
ब्लैक
sir.
ब्लैक
It
आ
is
जाता है?
clear. Sir,
It is
sir,
clear,
can I
beta?
give the answer with the yes?
Yes, Vidya, say beta. Beta, it's clear now. Safiq?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir, of
beta,
first
continue.
one.
Yes,
Sir, of
beta,
first
first
one.
one. Yes, first one.
Sir, answer is Sadat Rahman.
Yes, Sadat Rahman. Very good, Ayaz. Very good. Okay. So now was Sadat Rahman is the 17 years from the Bangladesh wins the International Children's Peace Prize 2020. Sadat Rahman from a now I'll give you 1 to 2 minutes from its introduction. Sadat Rahman from the Bangladesh
Hello, sir.
won the International Children's Peace Prize. The award was presented to a Sadat today by now Nobel Peace Prize laureate Malala Yousafzai during a ceremony
हेलो
in the
सर.
Netherlands. Yes, beta, Safi.
सर इसमें ब्लैक ब्लैक आता है.
बेटा ब्लैक ब्लैक नहीं आता है ना. स्क्रीन इज प्रॉपर एंड विजिबल. सिर्फ वही है साइड में.
सर मेरे में ब्लैक ब्लैक आ जाता है.
ना ना बेटा कुछ नहीं. व्हाट्स योर नेम?
परियानी शफीक.
बेटा कुछ नहीं है. जस्ट मिनट वेट. अगेन आई रिप्रेजेंट किया. जस्ट मिनट. वेट और so now I'm going to represent my screen again and please read properly and then you give me answer. Okay all?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now it's proper. Pautiani Mohammad Shafiq.
Yes, sir.
ओके सो नाउ मैंने लास्ट में आप लोगों को क्या बताया कि सदत रहमान फ्रॉम द बांग्लादेश था और उसे नेशनल चिल्ड्रंस पीस प्राइज मिला है और 17 ईयर्स का है. एंड देन उसे कहा ये मिला है नेदरलैंड्स में. एंड ही वाज अवॉर्डेड द प्राइज फॉर हिज innovative in the setting up to the social organizations and a mobile app cyber teams stop a cyber bullying. Understood all? Okay, now we will move on a second question. India's first solar power manurate a train a train launch in which state? Second question, and who will give answer of the same question?
Sir, can I with the yes?
No, Vidya, yes, better you give to chance to other students. Now you think, my dear students, if you want to 1 minute, so you can take and try to solve this answer without helping any other source. Yes, yes. Now can you tell me better answer? Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Now can you
Sir,
tell?
I have read it this, but some in South state I have read it this.
Yes, South state, but which state, beta?
Sir, Kerala I have read it like Kerala. I am not sure, but I am guessing.
I think you are using a Google, no?
No,
You are
sir.
out of
I
state.
have not
So,
done Google.
so in Google shows Kerala, but
Sir,
answer
your
is
voice is too much slow.
Okay, beta, your voice is too
Hello,
much.
sir.
Your background voice is too much. Your background voice is too much
Sir,
coming.
your voice is too much slow.
I'm sorry. I know. Beta, turn off your mic. Turn off your mic, Ansari. Okay, now it's proper coming, my dear students all.
Yes,
Hello.
yes, sir.
Okay, so now, oh yeah, are you correct? Are you right, beta?
Sir, I am guessing. Okay, sir. I
But I want a yes,
sir,
yes,
I go with Kerala. I
Okay,
say
you
the
go
answer
with
Kerala.
Kerala.
I don't know
Oh,
that I am right or wrong.
okay. Kerala is the first solar powered manual train launched in Kerala. Okay, yes. Now I'll give you the demo here. Kerala, India's first solar energy driving a manifest train in the
Sir, your voice is
Thiruvan-
too much slow.
Yes,
Thiruvananthapuram,
sir.
Thiruvananthapuram, the
Hello,
economic
sir.
okay, ट्रेन ट्रेन इन तिरुवनंतपुरम में चली है कहाँ पर केरला
Sir, your voice is so
okay
much low.
question now we will move on to the third question was whose autobiography is to be a title as the I am no missile whose autobiography is to title as I am no missile
Yes, sir.
can you tell me Raki Basan is there Raki Basan is there can you tell me whose autobiography is to be titled as I am no missile yes can you guess the answer anyone can guess the answer not only yes any other students you can guess the answer what you do all other students what you do the other students Muhammad Ali Merchant Farhan Ali Merchant what you are doing all my dear students question number third whose autobiography is to be titled as I am no missile I am no masiha hello am I audible all why you are not replying all my dear
Yes, sir.
students
Yes,
why
sir.
you are not replying okay now any other students please give me answer all no one can give a reply who will give me answer do fast all Paryani Muhammad Shafiq Abuzar Ansari Muhammad Ali Merchant sorry Farhan Ali Merchant Sheikh Rehan Ali Asgar Wasaya Ali Asgar Zaid Ali what you are doing all students
Sir, can I say Ariani Shafiq?
yes, yes Shafiq say yes Shafiq say beta
Sonu Sword.
yeah Sonu Sood very good Patel Muhammad Shafiq Sonu Sood and Sonu Sood is a famous singer Okay, popular singer in our Bollywood. Okay, very good. Now we will move on the fourth question. Which bank has been named as a most outstanding company in India financial sector? Okay, so now which bank has been named as the most outstanding company in India financial sector? HDFC Bank, SBI Bank, or Axis Bank? Whose mic is open? Whose mic is open? Better turn off your mic. Abuzar, better turn off your mic, please. Your background your background voice is too much coming. Is which bank is the name of the HDFC bank? Which bank, beta? HDFC bank. Understood all? Abhijita Gupta, sorry, HDFC bank. Okay, it's a HDFC bank. Now, then, after further question number five, who has been recognized as the world's youngest author by the International Book Record? Bivara, Abhijit, Abhijita Gupta, and what Sonu Sood. It's your third option. Now I'm asking the question: who has been recognized as the world's youngest author by the International Book Records? First option is what? First option is Vivara, then after Abhijita Gupta, then
Hello,
after
sir.
Sonu. Yes,
Abhijita Gupta.
yes, very good. Poriani Mohammad Shafiq, very good. Well done. Now, question number six. Who is the author of the Till We Win book on COVID-19? Okay, so now I'll give you option here. Who is the author of Till We Win? Okay, book on COVID-19. COVID-19 के जो बुक थी टिल वी विन टिल वी विन ये बुक थी उसका नाम था टिल वी विन सो वी वांट अ नेम ऑफ दिस book author. Book author names. Okay. So now I'll give you option here. Ruskin Bond, Abhijita Gupta, or Randeep Guleria.
Hello, sir.
Abhijit, yes, beta.
Randeep Guletia.
Randeep Guleria. Very good for Yani Mohammad Shafi. Very good, excellent. Only Paryani Shafi give answer. Nobody give a reply. What you are doing, other students, my dear students? Rehan, Farhan Mali, then after
Hello,
Ahad, Abuzar, Alias Gar, Zaidali. What you are doing, Ansari? Okay. So now further question number seven. Feni Bridge is the connecting India with which country? Feni Feni Bridge is connecting India with which country? Bangladesh, China, or America?
hello, sir.
Yes, yes, Poriani Mohammad Shafiq.
Sir, America.
America. You are
No,
near your answer. The
China.
answer is not correct.
China.
What?
China.
You- So no, China is not better.
So,
So एक ही option बचा है ना last में. Only one option is left there. Bangladesh. Okay,
yes, sir, Bangladesh.
Bangladesh is connecting with India as a Feni bridge. Okay. Now question number four. Now
Question.
question number four. Okay, sorry, not a four, eight. Who has been a conferred with the Tata Literature Lifetime Achievement Award? Who has been conferred with the Tata Literature Lifetime Achievement Award? Ruskin Bonds, Randeep Guleria, or Abhijit Gupta?
Sir, Ruskin Bomb.
Ruskin Bond. Yes, exactly, beta. Ruskin Bond has a conferred with the Tata Literature's Lifetime Achievement Award. Okay, now we will move on. Very good for your Muhammad Shafiq. Then after question number 9, which district is going to host International Bird Festival 2021? Which district is going to host International Bird Festivals? Gorakhpur, Mirzapur, ke Badlapur?
Sir, फिर से क्वेश्चन बोलो तो.
Yes, now the question is what exactly? Question number 9. Which district is going to host International Bird Festival 2021?
Sir, option.
Yes,
Option.
option is what? Gorakhpur, Mirzapur, or Badlapur?
Sir, Mirzapur.
No, Mirzapur, no. No, beta. Any other students, please do try fast. We have no more time to solving this 22 question today.
सर, आप लास्ट वाला ऑप्शन क्या बोले थे?
बदलापुर.
हाँ सर, वो बदलापुर.
तूने दोनों आंसर दिए, दो सही नहीं, मीन्स वन इज लेफ्ट देयर, ओनली वन ऑप्शन लेफ्ट. बेटा, देयर इज अ